The Ka Thursday cham, commonly known as the spotted mackerel, Scomber australasiacus, is a fascinating species that inhabits the tropical and subtropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region. This remarkable fish belongs to the Scombridae family, a group renowned for its fast-swimming species, such as tuna and other mackerels, and it plays a significant role in marine ecosystems, fisheries, and human economies. The Ka Thursday cham, named for the distinct dark spots that adorn its body, is a valuable resource both ecologically and commercially. It is often sought after in fishing communities, particularly in Southeast Asia, for its flavorful flesh, and it also has important ecological roles as a predator and prey in the marine food web. This fish is part of a larger group of mackerels that exhibit remarkable migratory and feeding behaviors, adapted to life in the vast and dynamic ocean environments. Throughout this discussion, we will delve into various aspects of the Ka Thursday cham, its biology, distribution, importance in ecosystems, fishing methods, and the challenges it faces due to human activity and environmental changes. The Ka Thursday cham can be easily distinguished by the pattern of dark spots along its body, which are typically scattered on its back and upper sides. These spots give the fish a striking appearance and are part of the reason for its common name, spotted mackerel. Its body shape is typical of the mackerel family, being streamlined and fusiform, designed for speed and agility. The fish has a silvery belly and a blue to greenish-blue dorsal surface, which helps camouflage it while swimming in the open ocean. This coloration and pattern are not just aesthetically striking but serve as protective adaptations, helping the fish evade predators and blend into its environment, whether among the open water or the ocean's surface. The Ka Thursday cham has a relatively small to medium size, with individuals typically ranging from 30 centimeters to 50 centimeters in length, although some larger specimens have been recorded. Its mouth is equipped with sharp teeth, ideal for catching small prey, and it has a forked tail, which aids in its swift and efficient swimming. The Ka Thursday cham is a pelagic species, primarily found in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, ranging from the eastern coast of Africa to the Pacific Islands and Australia. It thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, where water temperatures are between 23 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. The fish is commonly found in both shallow coastal waters and deeper offshore areas, usually at depths of 30 meters or more, although it can sometimes be found at depths greater than 100 meters. This species is often seen in the vicinity of coral reefs, as well as near coastal upwellings and currents where plankton, small fish, and other potential food sources are abundant. While the Ka Thursday cham tends to be more common in the western Pacific Ocean, it can be found across vast regions, from the Red Sea to the waters off Japan, New Zealand, and the Philippines. The spotted mackerel is a carnivorous fish, and its diet consists mainly of smaller fish, squid, and crustaceans. These are the primary sources of nourishment for the Ka Thursday cham, which uses its speed and agility to hunt in schools. This species often feeds in groups, hunting in coordinated efforts that increase the likelihood of catching prey. The schools of mackerels are frequently associated with swarms of smaller fish, particularly in areas where food is abundant, such as in the vicinity of oceanic fronts, currents, and upwelling zones, which bring nutrient-rich waters to the surface. These fish often hunt in the midwater column, where they chase and capture smaller prey, such as anchovies, sardines, and small squid. The Ka Thursday cham also has a reputation for being highly mobile, able to travel long distances in search of food, and its migratory patterns are influenced by factors such as water temperature, ocean currents, and food availability. This ability to move efficiently across vast distances makes the species both a skilled predator and a part of the complex dynamics of marine ecosystems. Reproduction in the Ka Thursday cham is characterized by its ability to spawn multiple times throughout the year, typically during the warmer months. Spawning occurs in tropical and subtropical waters, with the fish releasing eggs into the water column, where they are fertilized externally. The larvae hatch quickly and enter a planktonic stage before growing into juvenile mackerels. These juveniles grow rapidly, with some reaching maturity within a year, allowing the species to maintain stable populations despite high predation rates and fishing pressures. The high reproductive rate of the Ka Thursday cham ensures that its populations remain resilient, though like all species, it is vulnerable to overfishing and habitat degradation. In terms of behavior, the Ka Thursday cham is known for its schooling habits, which provides several advantages in both predation and defense. By traveling in large groups, the mackerels reduce the risk of individual predation. Their rapid swimming ability and the coordinated movements within schools allow them to hunt efficiently and evade larger predators, such as sharks, dolphins, and even larger tuna species. The schools can also appear more intimidating to predators, giving them a collective defense mechanism against the many marine creatures that prey upon them. Schooling is an effective survival strategy, particularly in areas where predators are abundant, and it also enhances their foraging success by increasing their ability to find and capture food. During migrations, these schools can stretch across vast distances, often crossing entire ocean basins in search of food and favorable conditions for spawning. The Ka Thursday cham holds significant ecological value in the marine food web. As a mid-level predator, it helps regulate populations of smaller fish, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. It also serves as a crucial prey species for larger predators, including sharks, large tuna species, and marine mammals, thus contributing to the overall balance of the ecosystem. Additionally, its migratory behavior contributes to the redistribution of nutrients across large areas of the ocean. The movement of large schools of Ka Thursday cham helps to circulate plankton, small fish, and other organisms, supporting biodiversity and maintaining the health of the marine environment. As a prey species, it supports the diets of various apex predators, forming an essential part of the ocean's complex food chain. The Ka Thursday cham thus plays a crucial role in maintaining marine biodiversity, ensuring the proper functioning of food webs, and contributing to the overall health of the ocean ecosystem. From a commercial perspective, the Ka Thursday cham is an important species for global fisheries, particularly in Southeast Asia, where it is harvested both for local consumption and for international trade. The fish is highly valued for its firm, flavorful meat, and it is commonly used in various culinary preparations, including grilling, frying, and steaming. In many coastal communities, Ka Thursday cham is a staple fish, readily available in local markets, where it is often sold fresh, dried, or canned. The fish's meat is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and is considered a nutritious and sustainable source of protein. It is also an important fish in the production of canned tuna, a product that has a significant presence in global markets. Skipjack mackerel, including the Ka Thursday cham, is widely processed into canned tuna products, which are distributed worldwide, particularly in countries like Japan, the United States, and various nations in Europe. The ability of the Ka Thursday cham to adapt to different cooking methods and its popularity in the global seafood market make it a crucial fish species for the fishing industry. Despite its economic importance, the Ka Thursday cham faces several challenges due to human activities, particularly overfishing. Like many other commercially important fish species, the Ka Thursday cham has been subject to intense fishing pressures, especially as the demand for tuna and other mackerel species has increased in recent decades. Overfishing, both legal and illegal, has put significant stress on skipjack tuna populations in some regions, leading to concerns about sustainability. The expansion of industrial fishing fleets, particularly in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, has contributed to the decline of some mackerel stocks, and continued fishing without adequate management and regulation could lead to long-term population declines. Governments and international organizations, such as the Indian Ocean Tuna Commission, IOTC, and the Western and Central Pacific Fisheries Commission, WCPFC, have taken steps to address overfishing and promote sustainable fishing practices. These measures include fishing quotas, seasonal bans, and gear restrictions designed to reduce the pressure on mackerel populations. In addition to overfishing, climate change presents an emerging threat to the Ka Thursday cham. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and altered currents are expected to have significant impacts on the migratory patterns and habitats of many marine species, including the Ka Thursday cham. Warmer waters may push the species into new areas, leading to changes in fishing grounds and increasing the likelihood of competition with other species for food and breeding space. Additionally, ocean acidification could impact the plankton populations that serve as a primary food source for many fish, including the Ka Thursday cham, potentially disrupting its food chain. The effects of climate change could also alter the distribution of predators and prey, causing further imbalances in marine ecosystems. Therefore, addressing climate change and its impact on marine species is crucial to ensuring the sustainability of the Ka Thursday cham. Despite these challenges, the Ka Thursday cham is a resilient species, and efforts are being made to protect it and ensure its long-term sustainability. Sustainable fishing practices, improved management of tuna fisheries, and global efforts to combat climate change are essential to preserving this remarkable fish species. By promoting responsible fishing, reducing bycatch, and enhancing marine conservation efforts, it is possible to maintain healthy populations of Ka Thursday cham and ensure that future generations can continue to benefit from this valuable species. In conclusion, the Ka Thursday cham, or spotted mackerel, is a vital species that plays a crucial role in marine ecosystems, fisheries, and global food security. With its distinctive appearance, migratory behavior, and ecological significance, it is an important part of the marine environment. While facing challenges such as overfishing and the impacts of climate change, the Ka Thursday cham remains a resilient species with a critical role in the balance of oceanic food webs. Protecting and managing this species sustainably will be essential for ensuring its continued survival and maintaining the health of the oceans for generations to come.